Lotunulo Mai Mo Mai, Isesifa Popo Kalame Popo Mano'o. I'm joined here today with Team Women and Team Friends Always. Can a big round of applause, please, from both our teams? All right. A very energetic room today, ladies and gentlemen. To my right side, with Team Women, your leader is Tepora, and for Team Friends, your leader for your team is Seyota. Alright, Tepora and Seyota, I hope you guys understand the rules for the round that we're going to play now, which is the toss-up round. This is a race to the buzzer. The first team to press the buzzer and answer the question correctly will be awarded with 10 points. However, if you answer incorrectly, the opposing team has the chance to steal for 5 points. Alright, now before we start, we have a traditional trade of words. Okay, Tepora, do you have anything you want to say to your opposing team before we start?
Good luck to both of our teams.
A very friendly approach to that. Alright, Seyota, do you want to keep the laundry clean or make it dirty? Alright, Seyota.
Okay, good luck and we became friends always.
Alright, friends always and Team Women. This is your toss-up round. Your first question for both our teams. Name 3 of the 5 oceans in the world. Name 3 of the 5 oceans in the world.
Pacific Ocean.
1.
Atlantic.
2. Last one. You need one more to make 10 points for your team. And that is time. Oh, and how unfortunate. Okay, you came one short of 3 oceans. All right, Team Friends, can you make up 3 oceans for this question?
So Pacific Ocean, Atlantic,
Yes.
Oceania.
Oceania is incorrect, I'm afraid. Okay, both teams just shy of 10 points. The answer is Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic. Those are the 5 oceans of the world. If you had guessed 3 of them, you would have earned 10 points for your team. Moving on to your next question. According to Paul's formulation in 1 Corinthians, which is the greatest of the greatest imperishable qualities? Which is the greatest imperishable quality? So that's a hint. You guys know that's a hint, alright. So it's a lofafoi. No twa oi. It's a lofafoi. Yesione. And that is, oh my days, the most awkward silence ever. That is time. All right, the answer is love. The greatest imperishable quality is love, ladies and gentlemen. Your next question, number 3. Oh, friends always. All right. We've got something here.
1962.
Is incorrect. Very, very incorrect. Alright, Team Women.
1996.
Oh my gosh, that was close but wrong. You're shy just by 1. It's 1997. 1997 is the answer, right? We're starting to build it. Your next question for both our teams. How many squares are there on the checkerboard? How many squares are there on the checkerboard? This is the board where you play checkers on. Move in Samoan. You're that creepy uncle that sits at the corner where you move. Alright. How many squares are? You have the black square, then the white square, then the black square, then the white square, then the black square, then the white square. So you have 4 by 3 if you're going. There's many rules to it. And that is time. Oh my gosh, women, you were Team Women. You guys almost made it, but that is time. All right. No team made it on time to press the buzzer, and here's the answer. It is 64. There are 64 squares on the checkerboard. And 0 points for both our teams. We're moving on to our next question. Don't go anywhere. What is the official currency in Nepal? What is the official currency in Nepal? Nepal is a country. What is their official currency? Indian, if that helps. Take inspiration from the Indian currency. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna have a whole expose of Indian supermarket. I'm gonna give you it starts with R. Alright, it starts with R. Come on. And that is time! Time up. The answer is rupee. Rupee is the currency for Nepal. Alright. We're far into our toss-up rounds and our teams have yet to put points on the board, but don't worry, many questions, many chances to gain points. Your next question. What is the last word of the Bible? What is the last word of the Bible? Yes, Tamai'ta'i. Is correct, yes! Yes. The first points for our game today. Alright, 10 points by way of Team Tamai'ta'i. Your next question for our teams. Which explorer named Tonga the Friendly Islands? Oh, come on, Tamai'ta'i! Get out of here, that's 10 points on your team! Alright, a bit louder next time. Yes, James Cook, Captain James Cook. Your next question for both our teams. Nearly how many languages are spoken in PNG? Nearly how many languages are spoken in PNG? PNG is very territorial, and a lot of the times each territory will have their own language. Not much different than, yes, friends always. 2 is very, very small. No, that is incorrect. Not 2. Think above 200. Think of plenty. Think hundreds above 200. Alright, Team Woman. Maybe a bit more higher, but that's also incorrect. The answer is 850. 850 languages. Alright, your next question. 2 questions left for Team Toss-Up. Penguins use a gland above which body part to filter salt water into fresh water? Team Women, alright.
Above the neck?
What? Above the neck? It is above the neck, but that, too general. Sorry, I can't give you points. To steal 5 points, Team Friends. Friends always. Use your glands. Which body parts? Which body part? And that is time. Oh no, too late. Good answer, but too late. The answer is eyes. The answer is eyes. That would have earned your team points, but don't worry. Your next and last question for Team Toss-Up. Here it goes. What type of mineral is Nauru famous for? What type of mineral is Nauru famous for? Maybe it's what? Oh, yes.
Maybe it's pearl.
Maybe it's pearl. Maybe it's right, but it is wrong. I'm sorry. Yeah, that is very incorrect. That could have been right, but no. Not for today's game. All right, Team Friends. It probably doesn't start with PH.
Phosphate.
Team. Time. All right. The answer is, as Tipara said, phosphate. Phosphate is the answer. We have no teams award of any points. We've got incorrect answers and untimed answers. All right. We're gonna head straight into our individual toss-up. This is fun. All right. For you guys, who is the voice of Moana in the Disney movie Moana? Friends always. No helping from the sideline, but go ahead.
Awali.
Awali'i is incorrect. Incomplete, more or less incomplete. Alright, Henrietta, can you complete Awali'i?
Pass.
Pass. Okay, the answer is Awali'i Cravalho. Awali'i Cravalho, we need her entire name. Thank you very much, Mary and Henrietta. That is your attempt at individual toss-up. Our next contestants. Alright, your individual toss-up is what region of the Pacific is Kiribati? What region of the Pacific is Kiribati?
Micronesia.
It's correct, yes, Kuhila. That is 10 points for your team. Well done. All right, our next individuals for our individual toss-up round. All right, your guys' individual toss-up goes like this. What is the official currency used in Tokelau? What is the official currency used in Tokelau? Now, currency in Samoa is the tala, the money. What money do they use in Tokelau? Tala in the American Samoa. Also, they use US dollars. Australia, they use Australian dollars. But Tokelau, do they have a Tokelauan dollar? That's where you buzz in. That is time for our individuals. All right, the answer is the New Zealand dollars. New Zealand dollars is the answer. Thank you very much, Pauline and Tepora. All right, we're gonna head into our final individual toss-up, our last individual toss-up for both our teams to select one member from their team to represent themselves. Your question goes like this: what whole degree latitude is Abia closest to? What whole degree latitude is Abia closest to? Above 10 and under. Yeah.
Wait.
No. It's counted in degrees. It's counted in degrees.
12 degrees.
Seyoto answered 12 degrees. It is incorrect. All right, for Wheeler to steal for 5 points. 15 degrees is also incorrect. The answer is 14 degrees. Thank you very much for both our teams for the lovely round of individual toss-up. We'll be back with more fun and excitement on Popo Mano'o. Hey there, and we're back with Popo Mano'o. Your next round is Nga Nga. Now, if you've been following the show for the last 11 weeks, you know exactly how this game goes, alright? To hide our object first, we have Team Friends Forever. Friends always. Always friends, whatever you like it. Okay, while they hide, I'll be here with Team Women, Tepora, Wheeler, and Henrietta. Nice to meet you guys. Very energetic round today, right? Wheeler, I want to ask you a question. You're a very interesting person from the way you've been answering my questions lately. Okay. What do you name a deaf cat? No, it doesn't matter because they can't hear you anyways. Alright, that is your daily dad joke, but Team Friends, are you ready? Your hands in the air, wave them around like you don't care. Alright, there is your hands. See your opposing contestants. Stare them down. Don't take too long. Henrietta, your first guess.
Joey's right hand.
Joey, your right hand is incorrect. That is one guess down. Your next guess, Wheeler.
Pauline's left hand.
Pauline, I'd like to see your left hand, please. Also incorrect. All right, Tepora.
Seyota's left.
Seyota's left hand. That is 3 guesses out. All right, you have 3 guesses left. Still have the chance to earn 20 points for your team. Henrietta, again. Will you?
Joey's left.
Oh, Joey's left. You spoke way too soon. 2 hands in the air. All right, Wheeler, your guess makes the biggest difference and can earn your team 20 points or lose it. If I were you, I'd look at their eyes. Oh, you choose Seyota? All right. Oh, that is incorrect. Perfect score, Pauline. Oh, Pauline's right hand was the answer. Nice. All right. Great stuff from Team Friends. Perfect score from well done. All right. Team Women, can you tie for perfect score and go into a tiebreaker? So, Seyota. I've noticed you from the previous round. You're a very strong player, huh? I'd like to ask you a question. What are your thoughts on having pets in Samoa? Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing to have pets in Samoa?
It's a good thing because I have pets.
You have pets? No way. Great stuff. All right, that's it, bro. Well, you heard it from Seyota, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a Team Women's hands in the air?
Tepora's left.
Tepora, your left hand. Correct. All right, Seyota.
Henrietta's right.
Henrietta's right hand. Henrietta, your right hand with the nice pose. You put it in there. For the camera. All right, there it is. I don't know how you. All right, good stuff from Team Friends. That is 20 points, boys. By way of Team Friends, the point gap is narrowing. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned for more fun and excitement on Popo Mano'o. Hello and welcome back to another round of Popo Mano'o. One of my favorite rounds, ladies and gentlemen, it is window shopping. I'm going to show my contestants an item or product on the screen and they are to guess or estimate how much the product costs. Your guess, if it's over the actual price, whereas the other team guessed lower, the lower guess will always be correct, regardless of whether the higher guess was closer. The only condition where over counts is when both teams go over, then the closest guess from the over will be awarded with 10 points. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, let's go window shopping. Your first item is a box, a 10-pound box of Huffy chicken franks from Frankie. There's some big sausages. 10 pounds is the weight of the box. You can quite literally walk into Frankie's right now and ask them for a box of Huffy sausages. Huh? Yeah, just the number. No, the price. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? The item is a 10-pound box of Huffy thick sandwiches. Oh, sausages. Sorry. Oh, Huffy thick sausages, alright? If the bell goes, then you can't write. I do recommend you right now. It's 10 pounds. That is time. Your marker's down or you'll be penalized and your boards to our camera. Team women, your price is... Can I borrow your board real quick? Alright, team women's price is 40 tala. 40 tala. That's actually a really good guess. Alright, let's see if Team Friends can best it. We have 35 tala. 35 tala. That is from Team Friends. The actual answer is 51 tala. That is points by way of Team Women. Alright, we're putting some points on the board. Let's go. Let's have some points up there. Alright, your next item is a JBL Tune 225 Bluetooth earbuds from BSL. Those specific earbuds or Bluetooth earphones. JBL Tune 225 Bluetooth earbuds from BSL. Take into account the retailer. Make sure you write very big, very big. You might earn points for that. JBL 200. That is time. Your markers down, and your boards to the camera. Would you please, Team Women with 80 tala. Where are you guys shopping? I want to buy some 80 tala Bluetooth earphones. Alright, Team Friends with 286 tala. The answer is 750 tala. That's points by way of Team Friends. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting the points up there, ladies and gentlemen. Your next item for our window shopping round is Farley's Golden Infant Formula. Farley's is the brand. Farley's Golden is the name of the brand. Infant Formula, the powdered milk that you use to feed infants. If you don't know what an infant is, that's a baby.
Is it the large one or the small one?
It's 900 grams. 900 grams. Sorry, thank you very much, Henrietta. 900 grams is the weight. If you're expecting a baby and don't know how much this costs, I recommend you stay tuned. We'll get to it. We'll get to it soon. That is our bell for our markers to go down and your boards to our camera. That is your camera. Team Women, can you present your board? 40 tala. Alright, and Team Friends with 45 tala. Alright, the answer for this question is 45 tala. Oh, what? I'm like, what? Like, what happened there? Alright, good attempt. Wow.
That's unfair.
What? How can you call that?
We're the one with paper.
How do you not know? What do you mean? How do you not know? Alright, thank you, Henrietta, for your input. Your next item for window shopping is an acrylic painting ink. Acrylic painting ink from BSL. That exact bottle. Acrylic painting ink from BSL. if you have a handle like that, I can probably hold it like this. Lift it up like that. And then pour it like this. Alright guys. Now oh, alright. Team Friends have settled. That is the bell. Alright, your boards first, Team Friends. Your camera is there. Straight to it, straight to it. 25 tala. Alright, and Team Women, your camera over there. It is 50 tala. Alright, a vast difference. The answer is 70 tala. That is points by Team Women. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, it's a back and forth of points. And your next item, ladies and gentlemen, is a Tussie tomato sauce. 3 kilograms of Tussie tomato sauce from Frankie's. 3 kilograms. That's a lot of tomato sauce. I'll give you guys the space to think. 3 kilograms is more than 2 kilograms and just short of 4 kilograms. Because it's in between. That is time. Alright, Team Friends, I want you right there to the camera. It is 25 tala for 3 kilograms of sauce. And women, 3 kilograms of sauce and we bought $2. Where are you guys buying this stuff? I want to go buy it too. Alright, alright, from Frankie's, the answer is 33 tala 50 cent. That is points by way of Team Friends. Alright, great stuff, great stuff. We're going to move to our next and our last and final item, which is a 1B5 Warwick exercise book from BSL. 1B5 Warwick exercise book. This is your average size book for the average sized person. It is soft cover, not the hard covers. Alright, your exercise book, 1B5. The soft cover ones, the ones that bend. The hard cover ones. That is time. How unfortunate. Alright. Simultaneously reveal your boards at the same time. Team Women and Team Friends. Women with 1 tala 80 cent and Team Friends with 1 tala 50 cent. The answer is 2 tala 50 cent. That is points by way of Team Women. Well done, Team Women, on a wonderful round of window shopping. Truly, it's been entertaining, but don't go anywhere because we'll be back with more fun and excitement here on Popo Mano'o. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, with another main round of Popo Mano'o, the round that is Charades. Charades, ladies and gentlemen, it is played exactly how it has been played for the last many centuries. First attempt for Charades is Team Women. Team Women with their first lovely actress, Henrietta. Henrietta, will please make the stand here for so I can show you your word to act to your teammates. Alright. Henrietta's word is in English and it is an object. It is in English and it is an object. Henrietta, in 5, 4, 3, 2, action. Very descriptive. It is an object. Guys, it's an object. It is in English. You should answer in English and it is an object. Oh no! Henrietta, just shy of time. Henrietta, please announce your word for our viewers at home. It is a wig. Alright, it's a wig. Alright, thank you, Team Women, for your okay, we're gonna move you guys to the side real quick, Team Women, and we'll have Team Friends here. Alright, big tough man Joey. Joey's the first actor around Team Friends. Alright, Joey, please, we can make your way to the center with your big boots and your... Is that good? Sam, one word. No. Alright. Joey's word is Samoa, so you should answer in Samoan, and it is Upu Fatino. Upu Fatino. It is in Samoan. It is upu fa'atino. In 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
Kirikiti. Ka, pake. Pake. Pake ka polo.
Oh, what? No, you have to finish. Come on.
Pake ka polo.
No. Oh my mind.
Pake. Kirikiti ka.
Alright, we've Justin from HQ. We're gonna give them the 10 points. Alright, Team Friends is now awarded with the 10 points. Thank you very much. Alright, give me that back to the stand, Team Women. Wheeler from Team Women to act out the second word. Your chance to earn your team 10 points, Wheeler. All depends on how you act. Yeah? Alright, Wheeler's word, if Samoan, so the answer must be in Samoan, and it's a nofoanga. It is a nofoanga. Wheeler in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Palitupe.
It's correct! Yes! Where have you been, Henrietta? It's okay, where have you been? Alright, that's it from Team Women. Alright. Yep. Seyota said, yes, sir, we're going to do that word. Seyota, your word is in English and it is a thing. It is in English and it is a thing. English and a thing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Candle.
Birthday cake.
It's correct! Back and forth. Thank you very much, Team Friends. Alright, Team Women. Can you do one better? And make your way up here, please. We've got the team leader, Tebora. Team leader Tebora to act out and earn her team 10 points. That's good, huh? Oh, that's funny. Alright, Tebora. Alright, Tebora's word is in English and it is in action. It is in English and it is in action. So you guys must answer in English. I will not register any answer that is not in English. Tebora in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Coconut cream.
No. You're squeezing something, but it's not coconut.
Okay. Open.
Kava?
Looks like a... Oh! How ungodly was that timing? Alright. Tebora, please make your way up here so you can announce your word, please. It is milking a cow! And if you thought otherwise, you are very incorrect. Alright, Mary, to finish off our round, Mary. Not too bad. Not as bad as milking a cow. Alright, Mary, your word is in English and it is a person. Your word is in English and it is a person. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Mailman.
It's correct! Oh my days, that is correct! What a guy! Star player. Alright, thank you very much to both our teams for their lovely attempts at charades. We'll be back with more fun, more rounds of Popo Mano'o. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, with another round of Popo Mano'o. The round that is a bad translation. I'm going to feed my two teams with a sentence that is badly translated or has grammatical changes, and it's up to them to use their comprehensive ability to solve the bad translation. All right, we're gonna move on now with our bad translation. Your first question for bad translation: Ilalo le Sami is a famous song from The Little Mermaid.
Under the tree.
What does he say? No, there is no going back. You're on TV. You don't get back from that. All right, to steal over 5 points.
Under the sea.
It's correct.
Under the tree. Under the tree.
All right. Okay. Okay. The pressure is real. The pressure is on them right now. Okay. That's 5 points to Team Friends for the steal. Your next bad translation. I'll read it clearly now. When you are thirsty, just remember, Aopo waits for the water from heaven. Aopo waits for the water from heaven. Team Friends. Very good attempt, but that is very incorrect as well. Can I pass it over to Team Women? When you are thirsty, just remember, Aopo waits for the water from heaven. This is Psalm 1 proverb. Aopo waits for the water from heaven.
Here we are.
No. Again, very incorrect. The actual answer for this, when you are thirsty, just remember, Aopo waits for the water from heaven is Tali ilangi vai o Aopo. Tali ilangi vai o Aopo. That is the answer. All right, your next bad translation. Nicky Yor is singing about his head out of the Tawalunga La. Tawalunga La? Yes.
Head of sunroof.
It's correct! Yes! Yes! Joey, the big man Joey, a very strong player today. That is 10 points for your team. Alright, forgive me if I messed up that. Your next question. A fictional animal helped dreams come true in the cartoon Tarako Mo'o'onga. A fictional animal helped dreams come true in the cartoon Tarako Mo'o'onga. If you search up in Google Translate what Tarako is, it's like a dragon. So it's like a dragon. so there you have it. Tarako Mo'o'onga. What is that? It's a name of cartoon. If you haven't seen, it's a very nice cartoon. Airing 1st of October on TV5, 4 p.m. Tarako Mo'o'onga is the name of the cartoon. Buzz in, buzz in. That is the time. All right, time is up. The answer is Wish Dragon. Tarako Mo'o'onga is Wish Dragon. That is the name of the film. All right, well done to both our teams. Your next bad translation goes like this. If something needs repair, one could say, the mast is broken, put it in Manono. Time is... Oh, friends. Bingo! Yes, that's 10 points again. All right, this is looking very, very good for Team Friends. Team Women, your chance to come back for the last question of bad translation. When a son acts like his father, one could say, Friends.
Apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
I need you to rephrase that, but a bit louder.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
I'll give it to you. That is 10 points, Joey, for you and your team. That concludes our bad translation. Ladies and gentlemen, we're 2 rounds left for Popo Mano'o's round. We'll be back with more fun and excitement. Here we go. Alright, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with our 5th round of Popo Mano'o today, which is Spelling Bee. Spelling Bee is played just like how you would play Spelling Bee. Let's go. Alright, your Spelling Bee round is going to start off with a sponsored word. Sponsored by Ava Spa. Heavenly Touch. The team that answers this correctly will be awarded with an hour-long massage at Ava Spa just down where it's located. Alright, the word for Ava Spa is archaeologist. Archaeologist. Friends.
ARCHIOLOGIST.
You were wrong at I. All right. For Team Women, to redeem this voucher from our spa, archaeologist.
ARCHOLOGIST.
Incomplete. Incomplete. All right. The actual spelling of archaeologist is ARCHAEOLOGIST. Good attempt from both our teams. All right. Back at it again. Our next word for spelling bee is vasangamali. Vasangamali. Friends, to redeem this voucher.
Vasangamali. Vi famafa'a sa'anga'a mo famafa'a la'i'e.
This is yours! Very well done! That is 10 points and a voucher for yourself. Your next question for both our teams is sponsored by Digicel. The answering correctly of which will award you with 20 tawa worth of Digicel top-up. Fastest mobile network in Samoa. Your word is equanimity. 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 Friends.
Equanimity, like EQUA. NEMITY.
You know, that's actually really good, but you are one character off and therefore incorrect. All right, for Team Women to redeem this voucher and 10 points for their tally.
Equanimity.
Equanimity. Equanimity.
Okay. EQUA. Equanimity. NIMITY.
And this is yours! Willa, and 10 points for your tally. Willa, are you a Digicel user?
Yep.
Well done, well done. So you know about the fast speeds of the internet, right? Great stuff. All right, you enjoyed that 20 tawa credit voucher. Please head down to the plaza, level 2, to claim your 20 tawa voucher. Your next word for both our teams is fa'atamatane. Fa'atamatane, yes, friends.
Friends.
Friends for what?
Friends. Yes. It's correct, and that is 10 points. Unfortunately, there is no prize, but you get the tally. You get your points up. Well done, well done. All right, your next word for both our teams is handkerchief. Friends.
Handkerchief. Okay. HAC.
Oh no! Oh no, the pressure! Oh, you feel that, woman? That's the pressure building up on them, alright? Yeah. When I was in school, it didn't go HAC. Alright, Team Women, handkerchief.
HANKERCHIEF.
That is a very good attempt, but you are one character off. Handkerchief is spelled like so. HANDKERCHIEF. Handkerchief. Alright. Sneeze into a handkerchief. Your last words for both our teams for a spelling bee. This is the last chance for you to earn points before we head into lightning round. Is po ili ili. Po ili ili is friends.
B famafa'o, E la E komaliu E la E.
Yet again, another good attempt, but you are missing characters. Characters make the biggest difference. Those small guys like over this, like that, like that, like that. All right. Okay, Team Women, for your chance to steal 5 points. Po ili ili. Po ili ili. Po ili ili.
B O komaliu E la E la E.
Funny because you got what they got incorrect, but it's still incorrect. We're both our teams. Po ele ele is B famafa'o, komaliu E La E, como liu E, La E. That is po ili ili. Thank you very much for both our teams, ladies and gentlemen. We are heading into the concluding round, the deciding round, for who walks forward and who's going home. Lightning round coming up next on Popo Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the game again, where we see who's gonna walk home and who's gonna walk forward. It is a lightning round. I'm here with Team Women. Willa, Deborah, and Henrietta. Have you guys, this is your women's team. Willa will be the representative. I'll only be registering answers from Willa alone. Now, before we move on with lightning round, Willa, do you have anything you want to say to the people watching from home? You have nothing to say. Or all good. All right. Do you have a message you want to send out to your opposing to your opposing team?
All the best.
All the best. All right. All right. Willa, it's time for lightning round. Your first question. Do Eskimos live in the North or South Pole?
South.
How many pints are in a quart?
3.
In what city is the White House located?
New York. New York.
What was the Samoan name given to Robert Louis Stevenson?
Pass.
Who won the 2022 Rugby Sevens World Cup?
Fiji. Samoa. Fiji.
What?
Fiji.
What are the original inhabitants of Australia called?
Aboriginal.
Which Disney princess is technically not a princess?
Not princess. Princess and the Frog.
Who is Bambi's best friend, the bunny rabbit?
Pass.
What 1990s pop group did Mel B belong to?
Malcolm. Malcolm.
Mel B is the name of the artist. What pop group does she belong to? That is time. Yes, that is it from Team Women and their attempt at lightning round. Stay tuned for Team Friends as they come up or come short for their attempt at lightning round. Well done, Willa, Deborah, and Henrietta. It's been a pleasure. We'll see you guys soon. Samoa and the entire world. We are back with our final half of lightning round. I'm joined here with Team Friends or Always Friends or Friends Forever. Every time, all day, after work, before work. Okay, here I have Joey, Sayota, and Mary. 3 of the strongest players for this team. Joey is the spokesperson, so like previous rounds, I'll be registering answers only from Joey. Sayota and Mary, feel free to to help out with Joey wherever you see fit. Joey, before we head into lightning round, do you have anything you want to say to the people watching from home?
Same phrase. Let's go.
Let's go. How about your opposing team? Do you have any message for them?
The best man wins.
May the best man win. Okay, let's see who walks home or walks forward into further rounds of Popo Mano'o. Joey, are you ready?
Take it.
Your first lightning round question goes like this. Do Eskimos live in the North or the South Pole?
South.
How many pints are in a quart?
Pass.
In what city is the White House located?
Washington.
What was the Samoan name given to Robert Louis Stevenson?
Pass.
Who won the 2022 Rugby Sevens World Cup?
Fiji.
What are the original inhabitants of Australia called?
Pass.
Which Disney princess is technically not a princess?
Pass.
Who is Bambi's best friend? The bunny rabbit?
Pass.
What 1990s pop group did Mel B belong to? True or false, the PNG flag has the Southern Cross constellation?
No. Pass.
True.
Popeye the sailor gained his super strength after eating what food?
Spinach.
Yes or no, is Guam part of the Compact of Free Association with the United States?
True.
Before she married Jay-Z in 2008, who recorded her first #1 hit with him in 2003?
Pass.
In Disney's Moana, what is Grandma Tala's spirit animal?
Stingray.
Stingray.
Thank you very much, Joey, Mary, Sayota, for your attempt at lightning round. We'll see you again when we tally up the points to see who takes home the win. That's it for Popo Mano'o lightning round. Welcome back, Samoa and the rest of the world. This is the conclusion of today's Popo Mano'o game show, as well as the first round of games for Popo Mano'o. Can we have a round of applause, my fellow contestants? Well done to everyone here, to everyone that's been here and played before. Without further ado, I'm going to lay down the lightning round attempts for both our teams. All right, the first question for lightning round. Do Eskimos live in the North or the South Pole? Both teams answered South. The answer is North. How many pints are in a quart? Women said 3. Friends passed. The answer is 2 pints. In what city is the White House located? Friends said Washington, D.C. Tamai'ta'i said New York. The answer is Washington, D.C. What was the Samoan name given to Robert Louis Stevenson? Both passed. The answer is Tustalo. Who won the 2022 Rugby Sevens World Cup? Women said Samoa. Friends said Fiji. The answer is Fiji. What are the original inhabitants of Australia called? Women said Aborigines. Friends passed. The answer is Aborigines. Which Disney princess is technically not a princess? Tamai'ta'i answered Princess and the Frog. Friends answered pass. The answer is Mulan. Who is Bambi's best friend? The bunny rabbit. Both passed. The answer is Thumper. What 1990s pop group did Mel B belong to? Both passed. The answer is the Spice Girls. Unfortunately for Team Women or Tamai'ta'i, this is where their attempt at lightning round was halted. However, Team Friends moved into further questions. True or false, the PNG flag has a Southern Cross constellation? They answered false. The answer is true. Popeye the sailor gained his super strength after eating what food? The answer is spinach. The answer is spinach. Yes or no, is Guam part of the Compact of Free Association with the United States? They answered yes. The answer is no. Palau and Marshall Islands are 2, to name a few, that are in the Compact of Free Association. Before she married Jay-Z in 2008, who recorded her first #1 hit with him in 2003? They passed, but the answer is Beyonce. If you want it, put a ring on it. In Disney's Moana, what is Grandma Tala's spirit animal? They answered Stingray. The answer is Manta Ray, but Stingray works just as fine. To tally up for today's Popo Mano'o game show, we're going to go straight ahead and name the winner. Can we have a drum roll, please? Drum roll, yes. The winner for today's Popo Mano'o game show is Team Friends. Well done, Team Friends. You guys have taken the win for today's Popo Mano'o game show. You will be moving forward and playing other tough teams ahead of you guys. We'd love to see you guys in the final. That will be something very, very entertaining. Unfortunately for Team Women, you guys did not make up the tally, but don't be downhearted. We'll let you guys know if you guys make it into further rounds of Popo Mano'o. Nonetheless, that was a great performance. Thank you very much to both our teams, as well as all of our sponsors, for making this show possible, and for our viewers at home. If it weren't for you, this show would not be possible. That is it from me, Lewo Tamai'ta'i, and my crew of contestants. And we'll see you next time, same place, same time next week on Popo Mano'o.
Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lewo Tamai'ta'i and you are watching TV5's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss out on any amazing and fun content here on TV5. Other than that, you can click on this left box here to watch more episodes of Popo Mano'o, or down here to take you straight to our YouTube channel to check out more content. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching.